Crown attorney Heather Donkers didn't mince words in her opening address, telling the jury in graphic detail what the female complainant in this case was allegedly subjected to by the 5 defendants. In June of 2018, former Canadian World Junior hockey players Dylan Dubé, Carter Hart, Cal Foote, Alex Formanton, and Michael McLeod were all in London for a Hockey Canada gala to celebrate their gold medal win. The Crown says the female, who will only be identified as EM, met McLeod at a downtown London bar. After consuming alcohol, the pair left to go to his hotel room, number 209, at the Delta Armories to have sex. But then the Crown says it all changed in the early morning hours after she endured various sex acts. Donkers told the court the woman will testify she saw McLeod on his phone to others. You will see copies of those text messages, which include messages Mr. McLeod sent to his teammates in a group chat asking who wants to be in a three-way. Quick, 209, Mikey. As for the female, the Crown says, we anticipate EM will tell you she felt drunk, surprised by what was happening. Donkers continued, there were up to 10 men inside a standard-sized hotel room at various points in the night. You will hear from EM that she was going along with what the men wanted because she was drunk, uncomfortable, and she didn't know what would happen if she did anything else. The court is expected to see videos in which the woman makes broad statements that it was all consensual. But Donkers asks the jury, pay close attention to not only what was said, but also what was not said.
It needs to be continual. You can withdraw your consent at any point in time.
Lawyer Jillian Nachu says consent will be one of the main issues the jury will have to grapple with.
Consent needs to be contemporaneous to when it's happening. You cannot pre-consent to something. And just because you consented to some sexual activity with some individuals does not mean that you therefore consented to all sexual activities with all individuals who may be around. So it is a very time, place, and act specific question.
Charged almost 6 years later, all 5 defendants have pled not guilty to sexual assault at the trial, with Michael McLeod pleading not guilty to the additional charge of being a party to the offense. While the Crown is outlining its case, the 5 defendants are seated in the body of the courtroom next to their lawyers, staring straight ahead. Now that the Crown's case has opened in earnest, more than 45 of its prospective witnesses could be called to testify. Nick Paparella, CTV News.